Imagine a world where your laptop suddenly feels outdated, like a piece of tech you once relied on but can no longer justify carrying around. A world where a single ultra-thin slab of glass and titanium delivers more raw power, flexibility, and intelligence than most traditional desktop setups. That future is no longer a concept or a distant possibility. It is rapidly becoming reality. What we are looking at with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is not just another yearly upgrade or a slightly improved tablet. It represents a complete shift in how we think about mobile computing, productivity, and creative work. The leaks, the early benchmarks, and the industry buzz all point in one direction. This device is built to dominate, not just compete. And if you've long believed that the iPad Pro sits comfortably at the top of the tablet hierarchy, you might want to reconsider that position, because Samsung appears ready to challenge that crown with overwhelming force. From the moment you power it on, the display alone sets a new standard. Samsung is reportedly introducing a next-generation no-notch Tandem OLED panel that eliminates one of the last remaining visual compromises in premium tablets. For years, even the best displays had to make room for camera cutouts or visible interruptions. Now, with second-generation under-display camera technology, those sensors disappear seamlessly beneath the screen. The result is a truly uninterrupted canvas, stretching across a massive 14.6 inches, delivering an experience that feels immersive in a way that older devices simply cannot replicate. With a peak brightness rumored to hit an astonishing 3,000 nits, this screen adapts effortlessly, whether you are working outdoors under harsh sunlight or relaxing in a dimly lit room. Blacks appear deeper, highlights feel more alive, and colors carry a richness that pushes visual fidelity to a new level. It stops being just a display and starts feeling like a portal into whatever you are creating or consuming. Of course, a breathtaking screen means very little without serious performance backing it up, and this is where the Tab S12 Ultra begins to separate itself even further. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor, engineered specifically to support Samsung's expanding Galaxy AI ecosystem. This is not just about faster speeds or higher benchmark numbers. The architecture itself is shifting toward neural processing, allowing the device to handle advanced AI-driven workloads directly on the hardware. Combined with configurations that could reach up to 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, the level of multitasking becomes almost difficult to comprehend. This is more memory than many laptops currently offer, and it transforms the tablet into something far beyond a casual device. You can run dozens of browser tabs, edit high-resolution video, manage complex design projects, and even engage in 3D rendering, all at the same time, without experiencing slowdowns. It doesn't just keep up with your workload, it stays ahead of it. The physical design reinforces this sense of power and precision. Samsung is reportedly moving to a Grade 5 titanium build, replacing traditional aluminum with something significantly stronger and more durable. This change is not just about aesthetics or following trends. Titanium provides enhanced structural integrity, allowing the device to remain incredibly thin, around 5.1 millimeters, while also being more resistant to bending and wear over time. Holding it feels different, more refined, more purposeful. It is light enough to carry effortlessly, yet solid enough to inspire confidence whether you are sketching in a cafe or presenting in a high-stakes professional environment. For creatives, the upgraded S Pen Pro 3 adds another layer of innovation. This stylus is expected to introduce advanced haptic feedback, simulating the physical sensation of different tools and textures. Drawing with a charcoal brush can produce subtle resistance, while switching to a fountain pen delivers a smooth, fluid glide. These tactile responses bring digital art closer than ever to its real-world counterpart. With latency rumored to drop as low as 0.9 milliseconds, the interaction becomes nearly instantaneous, erasing the gap between intention and execution. It no longer feels like you are drawing on glass. It feels like you are working directly with the medium itself. Connectivity is another area where the Tab S12 Ultra positions itself as a true workstation replacement. With Wi-Fi 7 support, Cloud-based workflows become faster and more reliable than ever. Large files transfer almost instantly, remote collaboration feels seamless, and streaming high-resolution content becomes effortless. The addition of advanced USB-C capabilities, potentially including Thunderbolt 4 support, allows the tablet to connect to multiple external displays. Imagine plugging into a desk setup and instantly transforming your tablet into a multi-screen productivity hub. Then, with a single unplug, you return to a portable device that carries all that power with you. Battery life and charging technology also play a crucial role in making this vision practical. A large 12,000 mAh battery ensures that the device can handle demanding workloads throughout the day, but the real breakthrough lies in charging speed. With support for up to 80W fast charging, you can recover significant battery life in minutes rather than hours. This changes how you use the device entirely. Instead of planning your day around charging cycles, you simply plug in briefly and continue working without interruption. Perhaps the most transformative aspect, however, lies in the integration of Galaxy AI 3. This is not limited to simple photo edits or voice commands. The tablet is expected to handle real-time video translation, live transcription, and intelligent meeting summaries directly on the device. During a global video call, it could translate multiple languages instantly, generate structured notes, highlight key decisions, and even prepare follow-up emails before the conversation ends. This level of automation doesn't just save time, it fundamentally changes how work gets done. Naturally, all of this innovation comes at a premium. Early estimates suggest a starting price around $1,299, climbing to nearly $1,999 for the highest-end configuration. While that may seem steep, the value becomes clearer when you consider what the device replaces. Instead of buying a laptop, a drawing tablet, and a media device separately, you are investing in a single platform that handles all of those roles at an elite level. As the anticipated launch window approaches, likely in late summer 2026, the excitement continues to build. Every new detail reinforces the idea that Samsung is not holding back. They are pushing boundaries, redefining expectations, and aiming to deliver a device that stands at the very top of the market. Whether you are a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the best possible tool for both work and entertainment, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most important releases of the year, and possibly one of the most influential tablets ever made.